Want to update your iPhone, but don't have iTunes installed on your computer? No problem. In T-Speedo ILL, show you the easiest ways to update your iPhone without using iTunes. Whether you want to do it wirelessly, with Finder on a Mac, or even with third-party tools. Why update your iPhone? Updating your iPhone is important because Apple releases new iOS versions with security patches to keep your phone safe, bug fixes that solve common glitches, exciting new features, and performance improvements. If you're not running the latest iOS, you might miss out on key enhancements. So, let's go over how to update without iTunes. Method 1. Update over the air. Easiest way. The most common way to update is wirelessly. No computer required. Make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi and has at least 50% battery or is plugged into power. Go to Settings. General Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Enter your passcode and agree to the terms. Your iPhone will download the update and restart automatically once it's ready. This method is the fastest and most convenient for most users. Method 2. Update with Finder on Mac. If you're using a Mac running Mac OS, Catalina or later, iTunes has been replaced by Finder. Connect your iPhone to your Mac with a lightning cable. Open Finder and select your iPhone from the sidebar. In the General tab, click Check for Update. If an update is available, choose Download and Update. This is almost identical to the old iTunes process, but it's built into Finder. Method 3. Update with third-party tools. If you don't have Wi-Fi or a Mac, you can use third-party apps on Windows. Popular tools include iMazingTenashare, Trends. These apps let you update or even reinstall iOS without iTunes. Just download one of them, connect your iPhone, and follow the on-screen instructions to install the latest iOS version. Bonus tips for a smooth update: backup first. Always create a backup in iCloud or on your computer before updating. Free up space. Updates need storage. Delete unused apps or media if you get a not enough space warning. Stable internet. If your Wi-Fi is weak, the update may fail. Use a strong connection. Be patient. Updates can take 10 to 30 minutes depending on size and speed. When updates fail, if your iPhone gets stuck or the update fails, restart your iPhone and try again. If over-the-air doesn't work, try updating via Finder or a third-party tool. As a last resort, you may need to use iTunes on a Windows PC, but in most cases, you won't have to. And that's it. You can easily update your iPhone without iTunes using 3 methods: over-the-air and settings, using Finder on a Mac, or with trusted third-party tools on Windows. If this guide helped you update your iPhone, hit the like button, subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks, and drop a comment letting me know which method worked best for you. With the latest iOS installed, your iPhone will be safer, faster, and packed with new features.